Hello viewers, you're welcome to Grammar Funnies Fans. You're back to learn our sound today. Today we are going to look at O sound. Remember how we do it? I say, you repeat after me. Okay, this is what O sound. Can I hear you say that? O sound. Again. Alright, when you see your O and your A, together makes the sound O. Together makes the sound O. Can you say it again? Alright, let's look at the words that have this O sound. Look at this. This is B. O, T. Boat. Your turn. G. O, L. Go. Thumbs up. G. O, T. Goat. R. O, D. Road. Good. F. When you see your F or your F and your L, together sounds flu. Together sounds what? Flu. Alright, let's sound this and pronounce it together. Flu. Float. Your turn. Okay, let's also look at another O sound, the alternate. Look at this. When you see your O and your W, together sounds O. Together sounds what? O. But in some words, not all. Because this sound you're seeing here can also sound as R. In our next video, you will see where this sounds as R. But today, we are looking at the words where this sounds as O. So can we say it again? O. Alright, let's look at the words that have this O sound. R, O, road. Your turn. Perfect. B. When you see a B and your L, together sounds blue. Together sounds what? Blue. Alright, let's pronounce it together. Blue. O. Blow. Your turn. Good. Flu. O. Flow. Good job. Krr. When you see a K and your or you C and R, when they come together, they make the sound krr. They make the sound what? Krr. Alright, let's sound and pronounce. Krr. O. Crow. Your turn. Good job. Okay, let's also look at another O sound. Look at this. This is also your what? O sound. Can I hear you say that? Alright, when you see your O and your E, when they come together, they make the sound O. This dash or hyphen here means that there should be a letter here, okay? Alright, let's look at the words that have this O sound. Look at this. Can you try? Try to pronounce. Did you get it? Okay, let's try. Rose. Can I hear you say that? Good. Vote. turn. Good job. Comb. Your turn. Nose. Bow. Ho. Your turn. Good. Nose. Good job. Po. This is also a sound. Can I hear you say that? A sound. Alright, let's look at the words that have this O sound. Try to pronounce it. Try it. Did you get it? Okay, let's see. Toe. Say it. Fo. Whoa. Your turn. Alright, we have come to the end of the lesson today. Make sure you practice and practice and practice. Please, if you've not subscribed, don't forget to press on that bell so that you get notification every weekend when I post new videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.